This is an inexpensive doorknob, entry doorknob, keyed entry from Lowe's. It's like $10.48 plus tax. There's three different choices: brass, aluminum, and then this antique brass. And if you want to match, like in my case, there's a rental that has two outside doors. If you want to match them, on the back side has little numbers. It says, can you see that? Okay, see that number, 7180? You match those up, and it's the same keys for both knobs. So when you go to shop for that at Lowe's, you want to make sure you match those numbers up if you want them to match. That way they're keyed alike. And it's still $10.48. Not the best, not the worst I've ever dealt with, but there you go, it's a little tip. When you're shopping, you want the keys to be the same, get those numbers the same.